We just got our blood work results back, so let's go over it. First things first, my testosterone reading came in quite high, but my SHBG also came in very high, which means that despite having a high end of the reference range testosterone, it's not really going to make much of a difference when it comes to building muscle because of my free test. Now the question is, why did these numbers come back like this?
I think I know why. While yes, it's true, there is some correlation between DHT and SHBG levels, it doesn't really translate over in the literature. For example, this meta-analysis did not find any significant differences in SHBG levels in the 10 studies that reported them, which is supported with my own blood work after using 5-alpha reductase inhibitors for almost 5 years now. Further, increases in testosterone levels after using FIN/DUT are typically only seen in men with low baseline testosterone levels, meaning less than 500 nanograms per deciliter, and not in men with high baseline levels. And I may be wrong, but I just don't see FIN/DUT as a main reason. Instead, what I do see as a main reason is exactly what he mentioned with his diet and exercise, as both of these have been shown to increase SHBG levels. So Joel lifting really hard while being in calorie deficit with no recent rest days likely causes SHBG levels to transiently spike. This in return causes free testosterone to tank, which reduces feedback inhibition on his HPG axis, which then causes total testosterone to rise in an attempt to once again bring up his free testosterone to adequate levels. This is further supported by the fact that his BUN, creatinine, and AST levels all came back slightly elevated, which could also be caused by strenuous exercise near the time of his draw. So what I highly recommend is for him to properly rest before his next blood draw, with preferably no strenuous exercise in the 48 to 72 hours prior, just to rule it out as a confounding variable.